Sup guys, Juggalo here. Today I'm going to show you how to update your BIOS for your motherboard. Basically keeping your BIOS up to date is very good. It can fix bugs, some errors you might have, some instability, CPU, basically upgradability to make them compatible with your motherboard and all that fun stuff. So basically what you want to do is go to your motherboard manufacturer, and mine is EVGA. So basically what I'm going to do is go here, evga.com, enter, hit support, download drivers / BIOS, hit motherboard, family is x58, part number is SLI3. Type will be BIOS, click submit, and you should have it right here. You're going to go ahead and download that, hit OK. And once you have that downloaded, you want to go ahead and get a blank CD, and seems that I have misplaced my blank CD, and I apologize for that. So let me be right back. Alright, you have a blank CD like so. Make sure that you have a ISO burner or whatever you want to call it. I have power to go, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and insert the blank CD in my hard drive, or my CD drive, excuse me. And once that is done recognizing and everything, I'm going to go ahead and click on here where it says E6783 decimal ISO. Double click on that. I'm going to click burn. Should only take a minute or two. And the flickering you're seeing on the camera is because of how it's recording. There is no flicker on my laptop. Alright, we have reached 100%, which is good. Alright, gonna go back to the TV. Let me zoom out. Alright, once you have that done, what you're gonna do is insert your CD drive, or your CD, into your DVD drive, or if you already burnt it on your computer with your CD drive, you just leave the CD in there. But I'm using my laptop. So let me go ahead and put in the blank disc, or the disc that has an ISO on it. Okay. Now what you're going to do is make sure that your hard drive, or your CD drive, excuse me, is bootable. So I'm going to go ahead and click restart. Force restart, yes, don't care. Alright. Now basically, to get into your BIOS on pretty much any motherboard manufacturer is hitting delete a whole bunch of times. So as soon as you see that screen right there, just hit delete. Delete, 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 delete. Alright, comes up with a blue screen. If you have your computer overclocked, write down the settings and or save them. Click load defaults. Hit yes. Once you hit load defaults, go ahead into advanced BIOS features. Go ahead to cd-rom priority, or your first boot device priority. Make sure it's your cd-rom. Have to have that. Alright, once you have that done, you're going to go ahead and hit F10, hit yes, enter. And it's going to restart the computer and it'll boot up from the CD drive hopefully. And make sure you have the BIOS for your motherboard. If not, it's basically going to say, hey, it's the wrong BIOS, it's not going to work. Also, if it does flash and it's the wrong BIOS, you may brick your board. Make sure your power supply is adequate and everything. You're not going to have a shutdown on anything. So if you do that, basically if you have a kid and you're updating your BIOS, you pull the power, you're screwed. You basically have a $200 to $300 paperweight. So right now, it's updating everything. So give that a couple minutes. And there's a write fail for some reason, but I think that's fine. It's not going to hurt anything. And this apparently is a big update. Okay, flashing is complete. You're going to inject or eject the CD from the cd-rom, and you're going to shut the cd-rom, and you're going to hit F1, I believe, and it's going to shut down the computer completely, and it's going to reboot. And hopefully it'll boot up and everything. Alright, that sound is good. And then from here, go ahead and delete. Alright, and basically you go back to frequency voltage control, click that, and then you're going to go to load profile, hit enter on the profile that you did select. So hit enter, hit 1, and sometimes it will save it as I said before, and if not, oh well, just re-input the settings, hit F10, hit yes. It's going to go ahead and restart everything. Alright, it's going to boot up to Windows. And the reason why it's loading kind of slow is because it's stock still. Go ahead and hit your password in, hit enter, and you're good. Everything's fine, no mess ups on anything, so you're good to go. Your BIOS is complete successfully, and that's how you do it, guys. Comment, subscribe, rate this video, click that like button. You guys have a great day. Bye.